Hi guys, welcome to IT networking and how to increase your internet speed in Windows 11. So guys, firstly you restart your computer properly, okay, from okay. And second options, if you using VPN in your Windows 11, so properly disconnect, because the VPN is blocking the internet speed. That's why it's very low getting the internet speeds, okay. So if you have to can checked have or not, so click to start button and type control panel, okay. Then view by category select and then click to uninstall program. To check name Chrome and OneDrive like this to show my VPN, any VPN, Turbo VPN, and like this any type of VPN, so you can select and then uninstall, okay. This is second solutions. Now I am giving you third solutions. So guys, if you using the window laptop and you by connected by Wi-Fi, so you see uh, sit the close to get close to the router, okay, because you long distance from your routers, so that's why it's get again low network, okay. Okay, Wi-Fi network on, check your Wi-Fi signals and its peak may be expanded and get close to your router, okay, on move, okay. And a weak Wi-Fi, suppose you getting the weak Wi-Fi, so that's why also same reasons to slow internet, okay. And one more thing, you check your internet health, okay. It's like this, what is your capacity, internet capacity in your system. So how to check, click start button, again type to control panel, because your LAN port how much to, so your LAN speed, okay, your internet, select to category, okay, then click to view and status task, then click to Ethernet. If you have a Wi-Fi, so you can Wi-Fi, and if you have a laptop, so you can both speed check Ethernet and Wi-Fi. So click to Ethernet and you check speed. This is 1 GB per second. Means your LAN port here is giga. Giga means 1 GB per second. And next, guys, you always up to date your Windows. Click to start button, then go to setting. Click to update and always up to date your operating systems. Like one, do not pending any KV series, okay. And same thing, always up to date your browsers, okay. And guys, one more thing, and you use always uh, Google DNS, so domain host systems. So how to enter, click to start button and type control panel, okay. And view by category, view network status and task, click to Ethernet, click to properties, IP version 4, to double click. This is Google network. If you enter, so your Google, this is Google internet. If you enter, the your internet working is very fast, yeah. Then okay, this is very basic setting, and you can do because your internet work is very fast, yeah. And one more thing, this is very important, your network driver always be uh, always up to date. So suppose you're using Windows 11 and your motherboard like H81, so you old driver using, and so you can use latest driver. Okay, bye bye. Have any issues, so please comment me.